How to fix voice chat is not working in Fortnite on your PS5. So whether you can't hear your teammates or they can't hear you, I'll show you exactly how to solve this issue. Now, first thing we need to do is go and load up the Fortnite game. Click on the settings icon on your PS5 controller. You can then scroll up to the top and click on menu and then scroll down and click on settings. Now come over to the audio tab and make sure the main volume slider is turned up. You can also scroll down to voice chat and also make sure this is turned up. Now come over to the communication tab at the top of the page and make sure voice chat is turned on. For the voice chat method, I've got mine set to open mic, and for voice chat notifications, I've got mine turned on. Now click the triangle button on your controller to save these changes, and you can check to see if your voice chat is now working. Now if your voice chat's still not working, it's likely due to an issue on your PS5 settings. So click on the PlayStation button on your controller, and then come over to the sound tab at the bottom of the page. Now click on the output device and make sure you have the correct output selected. So this is where you want your sound to be playing out from. You can then scroll down to mute game voice chat and make sure this is turned off. Once you've done this, come back over to the previous window and this time scroll across and click on microphone. Now for the microphone, make sure you have the correct mic selected. So this can either be your controller or maybe you have a dedicated microphone plugged in. Now also make sure mute is not turned on like this. You could then come down to adjust microphone level, and when you start speaking, you should be able to see these volume sliders automatically move. Now this is a good indicator that your mic is actually working. Now if you need to, you can adjust the microphone level at the bottom of the page, and this will adjust the sensitivity on your microphone. So you need to make sure that when you speak, the sound is in this good range over here. Now once you've done all of this, you may need to restart your PS5, and your voice chat should now be working in Fortnite.